Have a great day, guys. Welcome again to Fun with Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. 9m plus 1 over 3m is equal to square root of 6. Find the value of m to the power of 40 plus 1 over m to the power of 40. So here's the solution. First, let's bring down this equation. 9m plus 1 over 3m is equal to square root of 6. Now next is, we can multiply both sides by 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. So this is just a strategy. So now let's multiply. 1 over 3 times 9m, that's equal to 3m. Plus 1 over 3 times 1 over 3m. 1 times 1 is 1 over 3 times 3m is 9m. Equals, this side, 1 over 3 times square root of 6 is equal to square root of 6 over 3. Now next is, we can square both sides. So this is squared and this is squared. And if you observe, on the left side, this looks like an identity, a plus b whole to the power of 2, which can be expanded into a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So to write this, this is now 3m squared plus 1 over 9m squared plus 2 times 3m times 1 over 9m equals, on the right side, we can write it as square root of 6 squared over 3 squared. Now to continue, 3m whole to the power of 2, that is 9m squared plus 1 times 1, that's 1, over 9m times 9n, that's 81m squared. Plus, here 2 times 3m times 1 over 9m. For 3m and then 9m, we can apply the cancellation. For 3 and for 9, this is 1 and this is 3. And we can cancel m over m. So we have 2 times 1 times 1, that's 2, over 3, equals, this side, we can cancel the squared and the radical. So we left with 6. Over 3 squared is 9. Now for 6 over 9, we can reduce this by dividing both with 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now, let's replace 6 over 9 into 2 over 3. Next thing to do is we can take 2 over 3 to the other side. So this is now 9m squared plus 1 over 81m squared plus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 0. And then for this, 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3, this is 0. So we're left with 9m squared plus 1 over 81m squared is equal to 0. Let's remove this denominator, 81m squared, by multiplying both sides with 81m squared. So 81m squared times 9m squared, that's 729m to the power of 4. And then 81m squared times 1 over 81m squared, this is cancelled and we're left with 1. So this is plus 1 equals 81m squared times 0 is 0. Now, for 729, we can make it into smaller number by writing into a power form. 729 is same as 3 to the power of 6. So times m to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we can take 1 to the other side. So this is now 3 to the power of 6 times m to the power of 4 equals negative 1. Next is, we can divide both sides by 3 to the power of 6. So this is cancelled. We're left with m to the power of 4 is equal to negative 1 over 3 to the power of 6. To continue, we have m to the power of 4 is equal to negative 1 over 3 to the power of 6. For this, we can square both sides. So this is squared and this is squared. Now, by applying the rule of a power, we have ab whole to the power of n is also equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So for this side, on the right side, this is now equal to negative 1 squared times 1 over 3 to the power of 6 squared. And now this is equal to negative 1 squared, that's positive 1, then times this one, 1 over 3 to the power of 6, all to the power of 2. Now next is, for m to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2, we can multiply the power by following the rule of a power to a power. So this is now m to the power of 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Can equals 1 times 1 squared is 1 over 3 to the power of 6 squared. Power to a power, we can multiply. So this is now 3 to the power of 12. M to the power of 8 is equal to 1 times 1 over 3 to the power of 12 is 1 over 3 to the power of 12. Next is, we can insert a power of 5 both sides. So power of 5, power of 5. Now rule of a power, 8 times 5, that is m to the power of 40 equals, here 1 to the power of 5 is 1 over 3 to the power of 12 to the power of 5, power to a power, that's 3 to the power of 60. 12 times 5 is 60. And now to continue, since we have the value for m to the power of 40, which is equal to 1 over 3 to the power of 60. So let's go back with our problem. We need to find m to the power of 40 plus 1 over m to the power of 40. Now we have the value for this. That's equals 1 over 3 to the power of 60 plus 1 over m to the power of 40. Let's take the reciprocal, and that is m to the power of 40. So this is now equals 1 over 3 to the power of 60 plus 1 over m to the power of 40. Let's take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1 over 3 to the power of 60 is 3 to the power of 60. Now for this is equals 3 to the power of 60 times 3 to the power of 60. So that is plus 1 all over the denominator, 3 to the power of 60. Now this is equals, for this, 3 to the power of 60 plus 3 to the power of 60. According to the rule of a power, if we multiply with the same base, the power will be added. So 3 to the power of 60 times 3 to the power of 60, that's equal to 3 to the power of 120 plus 1 all over 3 to the power of 60. And this is our final answer. And that's all for today. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Family Maths.